Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Haifa and today I would like to present you briefly about compound interest, principal, future value, frequency of conversion, annual nominal rate, and periodic interest rate. Firstly, we will start with compound interest. As we have learned, compound interest is the difference between the future value and the principal. The formula used is I equals to S minus B. Secondly, we will talk about principal. Principal can be described as the amount of loan or deposit. Thirdly, let's discuss about future value. We can describe the future value as the sum of the principal and the interest. Also, the formula used is S equals to P in brackets 1 plus I n. Next, we will continue with frequency of conversion. Frequency of conversion can be described as the number of times interest is calculated in a year. Last but not least, we will end with annual nominal rate and periodic interest rate. Annual nominal rate can be described as the interest rate for a year together with the frequency in which interest is calculated in a year. Meanwhile, periodic interest rate can be described as the interest rate for each interest period. The I formula used is I equals to K divided by M. That's all from me. Let's move on to the next question.
Hi, I'm Morzeta morijohn and I will explain the question 1. RM5,000 was invested for 4 years and 10 months. This investment is offered an interest rate 6% compounded every 3 months for the first 3 years and 7% compounded monthly for the rest of period. So, for these questions, we got 2 timelines of investment because we given investment that have different amount of interest rate and compounded for the first 3 years and the balance years. See, this is the timeline that I draw. Move to the information. P equal RM5,000. T1 is 3 years. We can get it from the questions. For the T2, the 4 years, 10 months, we minus with the first 3 years, we get 1 year, 10 months. So 1 year, we times with 12 months and plus with 10 months. So we got 22 divided 12 years. For the M1 is equal 12 divided 3 because it compounded every 3 months, and same as the M2 is equal 12 because it compounded monthly. And the amount of I, we're gonna use the formula that given is I equal K divided M. So I1 equals 0.09 divided with 4. So the answer is 0.0225. For the I2 equals 0.07 divided with 12. So the answer is 7 divided 1200. To find the N, we're gonna use the formula N equal M times T. N1, 4 times 3 and 1 equal 12. And for the N2, 12 times 22 divided with 12 and 2 equal 22. We're gonna use the formula given S equal P in bracket 1 plus I power by N. So S1 equal 500 in bracket 1 plus 0.0225 power by 12. 1 plus 0.0225 equal 1.0225, and the answer powered by 12, we get 1.3060499, and then 500 times with 1.3060499, so S1 equal 6530.24995. The amount of S1 also the amount of P2. So to find the amount S2, we use the same formula. S2 equal 6530.24995 in bracket 1 plus 7 divided with 1200 powered by 22. So 1 plus 7 divided with 1200 powered by 22, we get 1.136508084. So the amount of P2 times with 1.135808084 equal RM 7421.68. To find the interest earned, we're gonna use the formula I equal S minus P. So 7421.68 minus with 5,000 is RM. 2421.68 is the amount of interest earned.
Hello everyone, my name is Shariffah Nurramadhanie. I will explain to you about annuity, ordinary annuity certain, future value of ordinary annuity certain, and also present value of ordinary annuity certain. First of all, I will explain about annuity. Well, annuity is the series of equal payment, deposit or withdrawals made at equal interval of time. There are a few examples for annuity, such as house rental, installment payment, annual dividend, and others. Secondly, I will explain about ordinary annuity certain. Ordinary annuity certain is a payment plus interest that are made at equal interval of payment period. Unless it states the money is invested every period, means the money is invested at the end of the period. Thirdly, I will explain about future value of ordinary annuity certain. Future value of accumulated value in bracket S is sum of all the future values of the periodic payment that usually used if it involves investment or savings. The formula used is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 divided by I. If the interest earned, the formula used is 1 equal to S minus NR. Lastly, I will explain about present value of ordinary annuity certain. Present value or discounted value in bracket A is the sum of all the present value of the periodic payment that usually used if it involves with loan or lending of money from bank or another party. The formula used is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket again 1 plus I powered by N divided by I. But if the interest paid, the formula is I equal to N R minus A.
Hello, my name is Siti nurbabyyiedani. I will explain to you question 2. Hosseini bought a terrace house at 650,000 ringgit. He paid a 10% down payment and the balance was financed by taking a loan for 25 years. The interest charged was 5% compounded monthly. First of all, we need to identify the information. CP will be 650,000, DP will be 65,000, B 585,000, T will be 25 years, K will be 5%, M will be 12, I is equal to KM, I is equal to 1 divided 240, N is equal to M times D, N is equal to 300. Formula to calculate the monthly payment is A is equal to R 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus I powered minus N is divided I. 585,000 is equal to R 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus 1 divided 240 powered minus 300 divided 1 divided 240. 585,000 is equal to R in the bracket 171.060047. 585 ringgit divided 171.060047 R is equal to 3,419 ringgit 85 cent. To calculate interest charge is I is equal to NR minus A. I is equal to in the bracket 300 times 3,419 85 cent minus 585,000. I is equal to 440,955. T is 5 years. N is equal to M times D will be 12 times 5 is equal to 60. The formula to calculate the answer 2 is A is equal to R 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus I powered minus N divided I. A is equal to 3,419.85. 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus 1 divided 240 powered minus 60 divided 1 divided 240. A is equal to 3,419.85 in the bracket 52.9907064. A is equal to 181,122 ringgit 27 cent.